Theta cost truly remained at $1.2180 a coin in a genuinely enormous manner. The present range, $1.1680–1.2200 in an especially significant way. Yesterday's nearby, $1.1780, which essentially is very critical. The change, plus 0.0400, plus 3.40% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Theta, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta value expectation for later, week and month in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost expectation on Monday, February 27, for the most part least cost $1.07, really greatest $1.23, and by the day's end cost $1.15 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 28, fundamentally least cost $1.09, extremely greatest $1.25, and by the day's end cost $1.17 a coin in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, truly least cost $1.05, most certainly greatest $1.21, and by the day's end cost $1.13 a coin, or so they basically thought. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 2, beautiful least cost $1.01, sort of greatest $1.17, and by the day's end cost $1.09 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, walk 3, kind of least cost $1.07, greatest $1.23, and toward the day's end cost $1.15 a coin. In multi-week Theta to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 6, least cost $1.07, sort of greatest $1.23, and by the day's end cost $1.15 a coin. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, most certainly least cost $1.05, greatest $1.21, and toward the day's end cost $1.13 a coin in a kind of enormous manner. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 8, lovely least cost $1.13, essentially greatest $1.29, and by the day's end cost $1.21 a coin, which explicitly is very huge. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, walk 9, most certainly least cost $1.12, certainly greatest $1.28, and by the day's end cost $1.20 a coin. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 10, by and large least cost $1.21, especially greatest $1.39, and by the day's end cost $1.30 a coin in a significant manner. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, walk 13, exceptionally least cost $1.25, greatest $1.43, and toward the day's end cost $1.34 a coin in an essentially significant manner. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 14, beautiful least cost $1.22, genuinely greatest $1.40, and by the day's end cost $1.31 a coin. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, least cost $1.21, essentially greatest $1.39, and toward the day's end cost $1.30 a coin, which is very huge. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 16, sort of least cost $1.23, in every way that really matters, most extreme $1.41, and by the day's end cost $1.32 a coin, or so they explicitly thought. Theta cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, by and large least cost $1.26, exceptionally greatest $1.44, and by the day's end cost $1.35 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 weeks Theta to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 20, in every way that really matters, least cost $1.13, for the most part greatest $1.29, and by the day's end cost $1.21 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, beautiful least cost $1.10, most extreme $1.26, and by the day's end cost $1.18 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 22, sort of least cost $1.21, in every way that really matters, most extreme $1.39, and by the day's end, costs $1.30 a coin, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, kind of least cost $1.18. Most extreme $1.36, and by the day's end cost $1.27 a coin, certainly further appearance how Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 16, by and large least cost $1.23, especially greatest $1.41, and by the day's end cost $1.32 a coin. Theta to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 24, least cost $1.17. Extremely greatest $1.35, and by the day's end, cost $1.26 a coin in a significant manner. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, walk 27, truly least cost $1.16, most extreme $1.34, and toward the day's end cost $1.25 a coin. Theta to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 28, least cost $1.21. Sort of most extreme $1.39, and by the day's end cost $1.30 a coin in a very large manner. United States dollars to Theta today, which is very critical. United States dollars to Theta conversion standard explicitly remained at 0.8210 coins per $1. Today's reach 0.8197, 0.8562. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday's nearby 0.8489 in a significant way. The change 0.0279, 3.29%, which for the most part is very huge. United States dollars to Theta gauge for later week and month, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, February 27, by the day's end conversion standard 0.870 coins in every way that really matters. Least 0.813, and especially greatest 0.935. United States dollars to Theta expectations on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end conversion scale 0.855 coins, exceptionally least 0.800, and most certainly greatest 0.917 in a significant manner. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Wednesday, walk 1, by the day's end conversion scale 0.885 coins, least 0.826, and most extreme 0.952 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to Theta expectations on Thursday, walk 2, by the day's end conversion scale 0.917 coins, truly least 0.855, and kind of most extreme 0.990 in an every practical sense, significant way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, walk 3, by the day's end swapping scale 0.870 coins, least 0.813, and genuinely greatest 0.935, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week United States dollars to Theta expectations on Monday, walk